Patrymau Iaith diwrnod 6. Ardal Caernarfon. Sylfaen. Day 6 language patterns. Your day around the Caernarfon area uses units 15 to 17 of the Sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from these units. Rhif 1. Ansoddeiriau a threigladau. Adjectives and mutations. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They are always linked to another word in the sentence where they appear. In a simple statement, an adjective will usually be seen after the noun it is describing. For example, Castell Cryf, a strong castle. However, when the noun being described is feminine, then the adjective takes a soft mutation after the noun. For example, Pont Gryf, a strong bridge. In a full sentence, there is usually an yn. For example, mae'r noun yn adjective. Mae'r enw yn ansoddair. This also causes a soft mutation in the adjective, regardless of whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Mae'r castell yn gryf. Mae'r bont yn gryf. If the adjective is one that comes before the word, and this is rare, there is a soft mutation on the noun. Hen gastell. Rhif 2. Pa mor fawr? How big? If you were asking a question with an adjective, for example, how big, how old, how tall, do not use sit. Instead, we use pa mor and the soft mutation. For example, pa mor fawr, pa mor hen, pa mor uchel. Rhif 3. Mor as. In English, the grammatical term for this is a simile. It is a figure of speech comparing one thing with another. For example, mor gryf a chastell Caernarfon, as strong as Caernarfon Castle. Roedd y plant mewn rhesi mor syth a milwyr Segontium. The children were in rows as straight as Segontium soldiers. Remember that after a, the following word takes an aspirate mutation. Rhif 4. Cymharu ansoddeiriau. Comparative adjectives. Adjectives can have the suffix ach to indicate that it is more. For example, roedd Castell Conwy yn gryfach na Chastell Caernarfon. Conwy Castle was stronger than Caernarfon Castle. This is the same meaning as adding to an adjective in English. Cryf, cryfach. Hir, hirach. Cyflym, cyflymach. Rhif 5. Y radd eithaf. Superlatives. Adding an a to the end of an adjective has the same effect as adding est to an adjective in English, forming a superlative, the most. We now have cryf, strong, cryfach, stronger, and cryfa, strongest. Used in context, they work like this. Roedd Castell Rhuddlan yn gryf. Rhuddlan Castle was strong. Roedd Castell Caernarfon yn gryfach. Caernarfon Castle was stronger. Ond Castell Conwy oedd y cryfa. But Conwy Castle was the strongest. To remember this suffix, think of the name Esther, but written est-a. The suffix est in English has the same meaning as the suffix a in Welsh. Rhif 6. Mwy, llai. More, less. Mwy, more. Llai, less or fewer. These can be used alongside the plural form of the noun in the pattern mwy or something or llai or something. For example, mwy or gastell, more castles. Llai or gastell, fewer castles. Mwy or filwyr, more soldiers. Llai or filwyr, less soldiers. In English, some words will not take the or est endings. Think about funner, beautifulest. This is the same in Welsh. Some adjectives will not take the ach or a endings. In these cases, we can use mwy and llai instead. Mwy swnllyd, more noisy, noisier. Llai ofnadwy, less awful. Y mwya, the most. Y lleia, the least. Y mwya diddorol, the most interesting. Y lleia cyfoethog, the least rich. Rhif 7. Ansoddeiriau afreolaidd, irregular adjectives. Some of the adjectives don't follow the regular patterns as described above. The most common are listed here. Mawr, yn fwy, yn mwya. Bach, yn llai, y lleia. Da, yn well, y gorau. Drwg, yn waeth, y gweitha. Isel, is, yr isa. Uchel, uwch, yr ucha. Hen, hun, yr hynna. Ifanc, fengach, y fenga.